Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you a very quick to the point video on how to make doors for storage underneath your decks. These panels that are now doors are literally the same approach as making the squares for lattice that doesn't open. The only difference is I reinforce the corners and shot hardware through to secure it more stoutly to the frame rails, and added some door hinges and also latches for obviously securing it. So there's one format there. The other one is the flip up style, same deal as the first, except I added a little piece of hardware here for a string to secure it open when you have to get in there. So anyways, very simple to do. Hope it gives you some ideas to get your projects done. Have fun.